so I'm about to give you guys a tutorial on how I clean my brushes sometimes. Now, I say sometimes because other times your brushes get really, really dirty and you need actual brush cleaner and you need to let them dry and stuff. But this is a quick alternative. Like if a couple of your brushes are dirty and you know you're gonna need to use them, you can use this. Okay, so what you're gonna need is paper towels. I have paper towels folded. It's like 2 paper towels folded, whatever. And you're gonna need Sephora Collections Daily Brush Cleaner. Right here it says it is a quick drying water and it's alcohol-free brush cleaner. This works wonders. I'm gonna show you guys how in 2 seconds. So what you do is you spray the paper towel maybe 2 times or 3 times, depends on you. I always do 2 or 3 times. So make sure you remember where that spot is, and then you go right to that where that spot is, and then so that's what I did, and then I finished right here, and this is how it looks now. Okay, I'm gonna do another brush so you spray it. I'm gonna use one of my unicorn brushes. And there you go.
Nigga, cause I'm sitting down and this nigga looking at me weird, dog.